Mathematics virtual class ma tapaharu सबैलाई स्वागत छ. Today we are going to discuss on the chapter set part 3 and today's topic is operation of three sets. In this topic we basically discuss on relation exist among three sets and we use this relation in problem solving methodology. So without doing any further delay, let's start the topic. Here this Venn diagram shows the relation that exists among three sets A, B and C along with universal set U. This encircled part of A is known as NA, this encircled part of B is known as NB and this encircled part of C is known as NC, where the common region that exists between A and B, A र B दुवैको common region लाई के भन्छ N of A intersection B. Similarly, the common region between A and C is known as N of A intersection C, and the common region between set B and C, that means this region is known as N of B intersection C. And there is another region, this region, which is common for all the set, and this region is known as N of A intersection B intersection C. What about this part and this part? This part is common for only A and B and is known as only A intersection B, whereas this part is common for only B and C and is known as only B intersection C, and this part is common for only A and C and is known as only A intersection C. अब तपाईहरुले यो A र B को इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट बाट A, B, C तीनवटै सेटको इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट रिमुभ गर्नु हो भने A र B को मात्रै इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट आउँछ. That means N only A intersection B. Similarly, अब B र C को केसमा पनि तपाईहरुले B र C को इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट बाट A, B, C तीनवटैको इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट रिमुभ गर्नु हो भने B र C को मात्रै इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट आउँछ. That means N only B intersection C. Similarly, you will get N only A intersection C here. What about this part? This part represents neither A nor B nor C. That means N of A union B union C to the whole complement. अब म युनिभर्सल सेट को रिलेसन सेट A, सेट B and सेट C को टर्ममा कसरी एक्सप्रेस गर्न सकिन्छ त्यसको बारेमा डिस्कस गर्न जाँदै छु. First relation is NU is equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection C minus N of B intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C plus N of A union B union C to the whole complement. अब यो फर्मुला चाहिँ कसरी एक्जिस्ट भयो त? अब NU is equals to के हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि while taking A total, B total and C total, this region, that region and that region are included twice. दुई पटक आयो त्यो रिजन. अब टु रिमुभ डबल काउन्टिङ दुई चोटी काउन्टिङलाई रिमुभ गर्नको लागि हामीले के सबट्र्याक्ट गरेको N of A intersection B, N of A intersection C and N of B intersection C. अब त्यो रिमुभ गर्दा फेरि यो पार्ट के भयो? अगेन दिस पार्ट इज रिमुभड and this part is included here and finally this part is added here. Another formula for universal set in terms of these three set is NU is equals to N only A plus N only B plus N only C plus N only A intersection B plus N only A intersection C plus N only B intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C plus N of A union B union C to the whole complement. That means NU is equals to this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this and that. Let's discuss other formula. N of A union B union C. When you remove N of A union B union C to the whole complement from universal set, you get N of A union B union C. That means N of A union B union C is equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection C minus N of B intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Similarly, this formula can be written only in the terms of only A, only B and only C, as like n of A union B union C is equals to n of n only A plus n only B plus n only C plus n only A intersection B plus n only A intersection C plus n only B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. This is nothing. When you remove complement part from universal set, you will get n of A union B union C. Another formula for the universal set is nu is equals to n of A union B union C plus n of A union B union C to the whole complement. How many formula can be write here? Only in the terms of A. That means n only A is equals to na minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. That means this part can be written as this total encircle part of A minus that part minus that part. But while taking this part and that part, this part is removed twice. That means to include that double removal, we have to add n of A intersection B intersection C here. Similarly, next formula for only A is equals to na minus n only A intersection B minus n only B A intersection C minus n of A intersection B intersection C. That means only A is equals to this total encircle part of A minus this part minus this part minus this part. Separately we can remove these three parts from total part of A. Similarly, what about n only A intersection B? That means n only A intersection B here. n only A intersection B is n of A intersection B minus this part, means n of A intersection B intersection C. Similarly, you can get n only B, n only C and n only B intersection C and n only A intersection C. There are some important note. The notes are at least one item means कम्तीमा एउटा आइटम भनेर भनेको, कम्तीमा थोरैमा एउटा आइटम हुनुपर्छ, धेरै जति भए पनि हुन्छ भनेर भनेको, त्यो भनेको n of A union B union C भनेर भनेको. एट लिस्ट वन आइटम भनेको 3 सेट प्रोब्लममा n of A union B union C भनेर भनेको. अब व्हाट अबाउट द एटमोस्ट वन आइटम? एटमोस्ट वन आइटम भनेको बडीमा एउटा दुईटा चाहिँ लिनै भएन, तीनटा पनि लिन भएन. दैट मीन्स n only A plus n only B plus n only C. बडीमा एउटा लिने कि पनि लिँदै नलिने. दैट मीन्स n only A plus n only B plus n only C plus n of A union B union C to the whole complement. भनेपछि एटमोस्ट वन आइटम भनेको दिस पार्ट एन्ड दैट पार्ट. व्हाट अबाउट ओन्ली वन आइटम? ओन्ली वन आइटम भनेको एउटा मात्रै आइटम भनेपछि के पर्ने भयो? n only A plus n only B plus n only C. These are the basic formula related to 3 set problem. You can write other formula also, but these are the basic formula. तपाईलाई यो क्लास कस्तो लाग्यो? योसँग रिलेटेड प्रोब्लम हामी नेक्स्ट क्लासमा डिस्कस गर्नेछौँ. यदि तपाईलाई केही प्रतिक्रिया छ भने कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा मेन्सन गर्न नभुल्नुहोला. साथसाथै यस च्यानललाई लाइक, शेयर र सब्स्क्राइब अवश्य गर्नुहोला. हस्त धन्यवाद.